Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Harshita from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. In this video, let us discuss about access matrix. Let us see the introduction to access matrix. The access matrix is a security mechanism used in operating system to control access rights to object by subjects. It is a table-based model that defines the permissions that each subject has on each object. The access matrix helps enforce the principle of least privilege by restricting access to only what is necessary. Next, let us see the components of access matrix. First, the subject. These are the entities that can request access to object. Example includes users, processes, or even devices. The next is objects. These are the resources that objects want to access, such as files, folders, or network resources. Next, the rights. The access rights specifies the action that a subject can perform on each object, such as read, write, or execute. And next, let us see the access matrix structure. The access matrix is typically represented as two-dimensional table. The row of the matrix represents subject while the column represents object. Each cell in the matrix contains the access right that a subject has on a object. And next, let us see an example of access matrix. Let's consider a simple example with three subjects, user A, user B, and user C, and the three objects, file X, file Y, and file Z. The access matrix for this example would be a 3 into 3 table with rows representing the objects and the columns representing the objects. Each cell would contain the access right that a subject as an object. For example, file X, file Y, file Z contains user A, read and write, none. User B, none, read, read. User C, none, none, write. Now let us see the explanation for the previous example. In our example, user A has read access to the file X, write W access to the file Y, but no access to the file Z. And the user B has no access to the file X, read access to the file Y, and the read access to the file Z. User C has no access to the file X or the file Y, but has the write access to the file Z. And next, let us see modifying the access matrix. The access matrix can be modified dynamically based on the needs and the permission of the system. For example, if user A needs to write access to the file Z, the access matrix can be updated to reflect this change. Similarly, if user B is no longer authorized to access file Y, their corresponding entry in the matrix can be modified or removed. And next, let us see the access control with access matrix. Access control decisions are made by checking the access matrix when a subject requests access to an object. The operating system compares the subject's access rights in the matrix with the requested action to determine if it is would be allowed. If the object's access rights in the matrix match the request action, access is granted, otherwise it is denied. Advantage of access matrix provides a flexible and fine-grained control over access matrix, allows for easy addition or removal of subjects, objects or access rights without affecting the entire system, helps enclose the uh, principle of least privilege by granting subjects only the necessary access rights. And next, let us see the limitations of access matrix. The access matrix can become complex and difficult to manage in large scale system with numerous subjects and objects. It may not be suitable for objects where access control needs to be dynamic and change frequently. Implementing and enclosing the access matrix can introduce performance overhead in some cases. Finally, I conclude that the access matrix is a powerful security mechanism used in operating system to control access to resources. It provides a structured and organized way to manage access rights of the subject to the object. By implementing the access matrix, system can ensure ensure that only authorized entities have access to sensitive resources. Thank you for watching this video.